Now, before we end this video, I want to show you how the product review feature actually going to work on your store. So I will simply click on this little eye icon to open my store. This is the store where I've set up the Loox review app. To check if the product review feature is working or not, we need to go to the product page. So I will simply click on this product, which will take us to the product page. Here, if I scroll down, you'll see this option. Since this is a brand new Shopify store, there are no reviews yet. So I will click on this Write a Review option. Here, I will give this product a 5-star rating. Next, it is asking me to add a photo in return for a 10% discount on future orders. For now, I will simply upload a photo as sample. Next, I can add my review about the product here, and last but not least, I need to enter my personal details like name and email. And once I hit done, you can see that I've automatically got a 10% discount coupon, which can be used on any future purchase. And when I clicked on the Continue button, it took me back to the product page. Here, you can see that the review is already added here. And if you scroll up a little, you'll see this star rating widget is also visible here, not to mention the review snippet, which is also visible now. And if I go to any other product page, you'll see that the reviews are not showing here. And if I return back to the same product again and scroll down, you'll see the pop-up widget as well. Alright, until this point, everything seems to be working fine. Now let's check if the other features like the discount coupon and the upsells are working or not. To do that, I will simply click on this Buy Now button, which will take me to the checkout page. Here, you can see that the 10% coupon is already applied to my order. Here, I will quickly enter my payment details and confirm. As you can see, this has taken me to the upsell page, which we set earlier with Loox upsell. You can see the discount here and then the countdown timer as well. Now, if the customer will be interested in the product, they can simply click on this Pay Now button. And then they'll be taken to this thank you page. You see, due to the upsell, the store has got an extra sale. That's how upsells helps you get more sales and revenue. So this is basically everything about the Loox product review app.